In today's video, I'm going to show you how to combine text in AutoCAD quickly and easily. This is a really useful trick if you've got multiple text objects scattered across your drawing and you want to turn them into one clean, organized MText object. It can save you time, keep your annotations consistent, and make your drawings much easier to edit later. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more AutoCAD tips and step-by-step guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open AutoCAD and load the drawing that contains the text you want to combine. Once your file is open, take a moment to locate the separate text objects that you want to merge together. These can be single-line text items or other text elements that you want to turn into one combined block of text. Next, go down to the command line and type txt2mtxt, then press enter. This is the command that converts multiple text objects into a single mtext object. After you run the command, AutoCAD will ask you to select the text objects you want to combine. Click on each text object one by one, or drag a selection if that works better for your layout. Make sure you select all the text you want included, because anything left out won't be part of the final combined text. Once you've selected everything, press enter to continue. AutoCAD will then open the text to MText window. This is where you can review the combined text and make any adjustments before finalizing it. You may want to change the order of the lines, clean up spacing, or tweak formatting so the final MText looks exactly the way you want it to. Take a few seconds here to make sure everything reads correctly, especially if your original text objects were positioned in different places on the drawing. When you're happy with the result, click OK. AutoCAD will then create the new combined MText object right in your drawing. At this point, your separate text items have been turned into one organized text block, which is much easier to manage and edit going forward. If you need to, you can now move it, scale it, or edit it as a single object instead of handling each line individually. And that's how you combine text in AutoCAD in just a few simple steps. It's fast, it's efficient, and once you know the command, it becomes one of those workflow shortcuts that really improves your drafting speed. If this video helped you out, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next AutoCAD tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.